Alright guys, I'm just gonna show you here how to connect this bad boy at Epicenter. Phonics bullshit, whatever. It's pretty easy. All you need is 2 sets of RCA jacks and this. Mine came with this. Pretty sure all of them are the same or somewhat the same. But this is the positive wire, this white line. This middle one is a remote blue turn on, and this other light blue wire is your ground. And all you want to do is just plug these in to your bass amp. So the positive wire, you're gonna obviously go in with the positive wire like that. Remote turn on to the remote turn on. Ground with the ground. It's pretty easy, guys. Then what you want to do is with your RCAs, the RCAs coming straight from the head unit will come directly to here, to your Epicenter first. Then what you want to do is grab another set of RCAs and link these to your bass amp. And that's how you do it, guys. Let me know if you guys like these videos. Maybe I'll start making more. Maybe some better quality, I don't know. Let me know.